In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Spotify to Patreon. By the end, you'll have your Patreon account linked to Spotify, so you can listen to eligible patron-only audio right inside the Spotify app. Start by opening your web browser and going to patreon.com. Sign into your Patreon account using your usual login method. Once you're in, look toward your account area and open Settings. This is where all your account preferences and connections live, and it's the safest place to manage integrations without touching anything sensitive. Inside Settings, switch over to the More section. This tab holds additional controls that aren't on the Basics page, including integrations. From there, select Connected Apps. This is the page that lists services you can link to your Patreon account to unlock extra features. On the Connected Apps page, find Spotify in the list and click it. You'll land on a dedicated Spotify connection screen that explains what the integration does. When you're ready, click Connect. That button starts the secure authorization flow that allows Patreon and Spotify to talk to each other. You'll be redirected to Spotify to sign in. Choose the login option you prefer, email and password, or a trusted sign-in like the Google, a Facebook, or Apple. Use the Spotify account you actually listen on, since that's where your patron-only shows will appear. After signing in, review the permissions and confirm to complete the link. This step is standard for any app connection, and simply lets Spotify recognize your Patreon membership so it can deliver the right audio to your library. When the authorization completes, you'll be brought back to Patreon, and you should see that Spotify now shows as connected. That's it. The accounts are linked. From here, if you're an active member of a creator's tier that includes audio on Spotify, their episodes can appear in your Spotify library or within the show page marked for patrons. You do not need Spotify Premium for this integration. A free Spotify account works in supported regions. If you don't see Spotify under Connected Apps, make sure you're in the More tab of Settings and that you're viewing this on the desktop site. If the Connect button doesn't respond, refresh the page and try again in the same browser window. And if Spotify shows the wrong profile, sign out on the Spotify page and log back in with the correct account before approving. That's all you need to link Spotify to Patreon quickly and securely. Enjoy your patron-only audio in one place, and happy listening.